Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Wednesday, the 5th of September 2018, and we're briefly commenting on yesterday's fall in the gold and silver price. You may recall that last week the pumpers were out stating that prices had now hit bottom and that their only direction from here was up. Even David Morgan, the silver guru, publicly declared no further downside, as if that wasn't enough to force prices even lower. The pumpers will tell you, buy gold and silver now. Emerging market collapses mean that those countries will pump their monies into gold and silver and cause an almighty explosion to the upside. No, they will not. They either do not have any money left, or those that do are attempting to swap their currency for dollars, and may even find it necessary to sell what gold they have. The pumpers have been blindsided yet again and must surely be asking themselves, when is the upturn going to occur, so we can tell our listeners, we told you so. On Monday, we gave you our rant at these charlatans, and yesterday we did a slightly over-the-top scenario of what the final day of an economic collapse could look like. Today we are being more measured. We need this week to closely look at the economic data being announced, as we highlighted last Saturday. We have not only seen gold and silver fall in US dollar terms this week, but also in euros and sterling. Silver has been hit harder than gold, with the gold to silver ratio standing at 84:1 as we speak, and the dollar index is 95.4:1. Gold currently stands at $1,195 and silver at $14.17. Long-term technical charts suggest that $14 is a major floor or support level and possibly a turnaround position. We are not so sure. The dollar's strength in our view still has a way to go. However, having said that, today we shall have the trade deficit figures and on Friday the non-farm payrolls. So before anyone casts any prediction in stone, it's worth waiting to see what is revealed. So this week, let's watch the economic data closely, and then a judgment can be made based on facts rather than gut feel, intuition, or out-of-date charts suggesting trends which no longer apply, and are used only to serve the purpose of those who are trying to convince you that they know what they are talking about. Have a great day. And before we go, we would just like to remind you of our last two videos, which are very important. The last one being slightly tongue-in-cheek, admittedly, Financial Armageddon, the final day revisited, but the more important one is the one we did before that, which is Emerging Market Collapse. Why are gold and silver prices affected? We strongly recommend that you listen to that one because it will have an impact, in our view, for many months to come. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and share it on Twitter. Please ensure that you have subscribed to our channel and press the bell sign so that you are notified of any future videos. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Disclaimer: Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.